query features, query, then to every results. Executes the query and processes the returned data. Real-world example. This method could be used by facility managers to count office types and optimize space utilization. 4. Interactive floor filtering system. Now, let's allow users to select floors dynamically. We will now know. The Show Floors function is triggered when a user selects a floor from the drop-down menu. Its job is to filter all layers except the wireframe to display only the data related to the selected floor in the selected building. So we will write the function called the Show Floors. This line captures the selected value from the drop-down. Example value, floor is equal to. This will be used to filter only the features that belong to floor 2. Now, to update the definition expression of all layers except the wireframe layer, we will write this code. This loop goes through all the layers in the 3D scene. If the layer is not building wireframe, which is just the outer shell of the building and not floor specific, we apply a filter. Heat definition expression is updated to combine the building filter. Example, building key is equal Q with the selected floor filter. Example, floor is equal to. This restricts the view so that only features in building Q and floor 2 will be displayed for each relevant layer. Example expression per layer. Building key is equal is Q and floor is equal is 2. This means show only features where the building key is Q and the floor is 2. And after the layers were filtered, recalculate the counts for each office type. Write this code. After the layers were filtered, recalculate the counts of each office type. After applying the new filters to all layers, we call the display office types function. This function recalculates how many rooms of each type, executive, conference, etc. are currently visible and updates the legend to reflect these counts. Without this line, the legend would show all data that doesn't match the newly filtered view. Now this code This line connects the drop-down menu to the Show Floors function. Every time the user changes the selected floor, the Show Floors function is called and the map updates immediately. Code analysis enables floor filtering dynamically based on user selection. Calls display office types to update statistics. Real-world example. If you are managing a multi-story office building, this allows you to filter and analyze each floor separately. 1. Enhancing user experience with legend and layer list. Now, we add interactive widgets like legend and layer list. To add a legend for the office layer with this code, what does this do? It creates a legend to the office layer, the layer showing interior spaces like rooms and offices. The title means no title is displayed above the legend. You can change it to room types if desired. The legend is added to the bottom right corner of the map, and to add a layer list to enable and disable the building wireframe with this code. Add a layer list to enable and disable the building wireframe. What does this do? This adds a layer list widget which allows users to toggle visibility of different layers in the scene. For example, users can show height, building wireframe, rooms, interior space, doors, walls. Now this code. It is positioned in the top right corner of the map. This provides interactive control, allowing users to customize what they see. And let's not forget to call here at the top the legend and layer list library. We must fetch the class in the require function and then define it in the function at the top of the page. Isn't that so you can learn? Code analysis. Legend displays office type categories dynamically. Layer list allows users to toggle scene layers on/off. Real-world example. Using legend and layer list, a GIS user can interactively explore data and control layer visibility to focus on relevant details. Excellent. We have finished writing the code, and all that remains for us to see the result of our work on the browser. But we will go to the page and click on Open with Live Server. And wait a little until the page runs on the browser. Oh my! Excellent. The page ignited and the success map appeared, and here the drop-down list appeared through which we can inquire. Notice with me when we inquire with the values from the drop-down list. And also notice with me when we hide and show the layers from here. Very nice. Our work is correct. Summary and next steps. We explored how to filter 3D layers using definition expression. We learned how to query statistical data from scene layers. We built an interactive floor filtering system. We enhanced user interaction using UI widgets. Next lecture, Scene Layer View. Query statistics by geometry. We will learn how to query and analyze 3D spatial statistics efficiently. Thank you for joining. See you in the next session.